era of sci-fi is officially over, and mass production is finally here. While the world is busy watching Tesla and Figure, a Chinese robotics pioneer named EngineAI has quietly built a massive smart manufacturing facility in Shenzhen to mass produce their flagship humanoid robot, the T800. What makes the T800 so special? Inspired by the iconic Terminator robot, this is a full-scale, general-purpose powerhouse. It stands 173 centimeters tall, weighs 75 kilograms, and features an aviation-grade magnesium-aluminum alloy chassis. But what truly sets it apart is its proprietary core joints, which deliver a massive peak torque of up to 450 Newton-meters. This gives the T800 unprecedented athletic agility, from performing advanced martial arts and fluid jump kicks to working alongside SWAT officers in tactical street patrols across Shenzhen. Unlike most of its competitors that still rely on traditional lithium-ion batteries, EngineAI's T800 is one of the first humanoid robots to utilize a modular solid-state battery architecture. This technology provides extreme energy density, allowing it to operate continuously under high intensity for up to 5 hours on a single charge. Combined with 360-degree LiDAR and a 7-degree of freedom multimodal dexterous hand, this robot is truly built to handle everything from heavy industrial manufacturing to commercial retail. With an initial commercial price tag of around $25,000 US, EngineAI is fast-tracking the humanoid race directly into the real world. What do you think? Will the T800 take over global factories much sooner than we ever imagined? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Siron Labs for more future tech updates.